Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake using cream cheese. First, let's prepare the delicious crust. You'll need about 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix these together well, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Bake this for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to set it perfectly. This creates a wonderful base for your creamy cheesecake. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. Make sure your 32 ounces of cream cheese are at room temperature for the best results. Beat it until it's wonderfully smooth and fluffy. Gradually add 1.5 cups of sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently incorporate 4 large eggs, one at a time, being careful not to overmix. This ensures a silky smooth texture. With your filling ready, pour it carefully over the cooled crust in your springform pan. Now it's time to bake. Place your cheesecake in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. You'll know it's done when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Patience is key here. After chilling, your magnificent cheesecake is ready to be unveiled. Carefully run a thin knife around the edge of the pan before releasing the springform. Now comes the fun part, decorating and serving. You can top it with fresh berries, a luscious fruit sauce, or even some chocolate shavings. For clean slices, use a warm, sharp knife. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly creamy cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.